Hello there, keeping the celebrity makeup bags coming. If you're new to my channel, in this series I choose a star whose style I admire and research the products they use. I don't buy anything, I just shop my own collection to see which products we have in common. Zendaya is a real chameleon on the red carpet, whether she's channeling Cinderella or Joan of Arc at the Met Gala or rocking a sleek, smoky shadowed look. She has a really positive attitude to beauty too. She says there are no rules with makeup and she enjoys having fun with it just to be creative, not to cover up. Her style certainly centres on emphasising those beautiful eyes and sometimes having fun with bold lipstick. She's a true beauty junkie as well, filming tutorials and often doing her own makeup for events. She also works with celebrity makeup artists Chica Daly and Alan Avendano, so I was able to track down some of the products they've used on her. Sources listed below as always. At the 2018 Oscars, Chica used Charlotte Tilbury products to create Zendaya's glamorous look. She mixed Charlotte Tilbury's Flawless Filter in shade number 7 into her foundation to add a real glow, but I love wearing it on its own too. Shade number 1 is an intense liquid highlight on me, or it can be sheared out and mixed with other base products for an all-over glow. In the hollow of those high cheekbones, she then applied Charlotte Tilbury's Contour Wand in medium dark. Fair medium is the shade I wear, and I love how you can draw the sponge applicator straight onto the skin. The cream's really lightweight, so it blends easily with fingers or a brush. Then Chica gave Zendaya a megawatt glow with Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Light Wand, the sister product to quickly highlight the high points of the face. This champagne gold can be left as a bold look or just a hint of glow. For Zendaya's beautiful, minimal, bold-browed Joan of Arc Met Gala moment in 2018, Chica put a range of Pat McGrath Labs products to work. Skin Fetish is a double-ended cream highlight with a sheer balm on one end to add a dewy glow and a more intense highlight on the other. Zendaya wore shade 3, but I have shade 1. Something Zendaya says she does on a bad day to help her feel more put together is her brows. They really help to change your face shape. She uses Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown, and I have the shade Chocolate. This has a super fine pencil tip, so it's easy to mimic brow hairs. She then uses Anastasia Brow Gel in clear, but I love Eyeshadow Brow Gel that's mostly sheer but has a little bit of tint to it. Back at the 2018 Oscars, Zendaya wore Charlotte Tilbury's luxury palette in Dolce Vita. That shade's been on my wishlist for years, but I really enjoy the Transform Eyes quad to achieve a slightly similar coppery look. Sadly might be discontinued now, so Pillow Talk is a more current favourite for something a bit softer and a dusty pink smoky look. Zendaya's makeup artist Alan Avendano says he's a big fan of Rituel de Fille's clean makeup and he enjoys this Ashen Ember Eye Soot shade Viscera, so there's just a chance he's applied it on her at some stage. Such a beautiful shimmery burgundy with a cream to powder finish. To get those fluttery Cinderella lashes at this year's Met Gala, Zendaya wore Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. Earlier this year she became Lancome's latest global ambassador, so I'm sure she has plenty of their products in her bathroom now. I only have this travel size, but would certainly consider upgrading because it gives you great volume and definition. Now you know how much I love red lipstick, and luckily Zendaya does too. She says it's the one colour she could rock for life and couldn't live without. A shade she suggests that's one of her makeup artist Alan's favourites is Dior 999 Matte, an absolute classic blue-toned red that suits a range of skin tones and instantly looks polished and chic. She also enjoys Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dragon Girl, but I have the shade Mysterious Red, which is very similar but ever so slightly darker. I love how easy these are to draw on, and I actually like to blend them with my fingers to give a more blurred look. Back to that Joan of Arc Met Gala in 2018, and Chica prepped Zendaya's lips with Pat McGrath Lip Fetish Lip Balm, but I'm a big fan of the tinted shades. Wild Cherry is a beautiful way to wear a wash of comfortable, more subtle, balmy red. To top off her 2018 Oscars look, Chica applied Charlotte Tilbury's soft pink lip luster gloss in the shade Hall of Fame. Haven't tried that one, but I do enjoy her collagen lip bath gloss. Super high shine and smooth without being sticky, and a lovely peppermint flavour too. In a beauty bag she apparently carries with her all the time, you'll find a couple of handy lip balms. Aquaphor and Burt's Bees made an appearance on her website, both as famous as the other, but the first is more of an ointment texture with a bit of shine, and the other is a smooth, waxy stick balm. Finally, to spritz her skin, Zendaya wrote that she uses Mario Badescu's Rosewater on the regular. She says this gives you that glow and it smells so good. I'm a Rosewater addict as well, and this is one of my favourites too. Hope you enjoyed discovering a few of the products Zendaya's worn over the years. Let me know what caught your eye or if you spotted anything in common with her too. She's only 22, which makes me feel very old, but it means we'll be seeing plenty of great makeup moments from her in future. Thanks for watching. See you next time.